To pair Redmi Buds 6 into your PC, you have to start by placing left and the right earbud inside the case, and right here you can find this button. Is almost not visible, but trust me, it's right here. You can just click and hold it with your fingernail, and when this indicator starts blinking, you can release this button. Now you are in the pairing mode, so you will be able to connect them. Go into settings, open Bluetooth and devices, tap add device and select Bluetooth. Now we have to wait for our Redmi Buds 6. They will appear on the list, but we have to be patient. Sometimes it will even take like 1 minute until the device will appear on the list. Probably it depends of your PC model, your software, and other nearby connection. If it is not gonna work, then you will have to enter for the pairing mode another time. So just repeat this step that I show you. You can also switch off Bluetooth on your PC and turn it on back to restart the Bluetooth settings. As you can see, that's how it actually looks in my case. So as you can see, the pairing mode is turned off. So we have to do this one more time. This is actually a good example for video, because in the most cases when you are watching tutorials, everything goes fine. But here I can show you how we can fix this issue. I think that we can call this like some kind of the issue, connection issue. So let's do this one more time. And as you can see here, we can already find them. So as you can see, it is working. You just have to be patient and wait.